All right, let's continue looking at data classes by looking at the post_init function. So at this point, you might be wondering how you can perform additional object initialization if the data class automatically writes the init function for you. So for example, we might want to create attributes on our book class that depend on the values of other attributes, but we can't write init because the data class is going to do that. So what do we do? So to accomplish this, the data class decorator provides a special function named post_init that you can override and will be called for you after the built-in init function has finished. So here in the code for the post_init start file, let's go ahead and add an attribute that combines the title and the author strings. So all I need to do is override the post_init function, and I'm going to override it just like I would any other Python function, and that takes a reference to my object instance. And then let's make an attribute that combines the title and author values. So I'll write self.description is equal to, and I'll use a formatted string for this, and I'll just combine the self title by self.author, and it's self.pages. All right, so when the data class gets finished initializing the main attributes here, which we've already listed, this function is going to get called, and any additional attributes we want to create can be done so in post_init. So let's go ahead and add some code to try out this new attribute. So we create the books, and then I'm going to print out b1.description, and I'm also going to print out b2.description. All right, so let's go ahead and save, and we'll run our code. And there you can see we have the new description attribute, which combines both the title and the author. So the post_init function is where you can add any additional attributes that might depend on the values of other attributes in your object when you're using data classes.